Hi, this is the Kärcher DIY multi-purpose vac. Blimey, that is a long name. But don't let it put you off. You don't have to say it, you just have to use it. It really is an amazing machine that's basically going to make your life a whole lot easier. But I tell you what, instead of me banging on about it, why don't I just show you how good it is? And to do that, I'm going to need a handy assistant. Jack here is going to use whatever cleaning tools come to hand, something we're all used to doing. And I'm going to use the man vac. Yep, I've given it a nickname. So here's an example of the sort of mess you might have to clean up during a day's DIYing. We've got some dust, some shingle, stones and a bit of rubble. So come on then, Jack. Race you to the pub. Get a move on, Jack. Check this out, it's really clever. Easy, I love that. The multi-vac can suck up large spills from the floor, no problem. But have a look at what it can do with a block sink full of water. Tragic. Cup of tea. I love this vac. Seriously, take a look how easily it deals with sludge. Now, ain't that a satisfying noise? The other great thing about the man vac is that it doesn't just suck, it blows. So you can blow mess neatly off difficult surfaces. This, for instance, would be a nightmare without the blower. Know what I mean, Jack? Honestly, I don't know why he bothered. How many times have you covered yourself in sawdust? Or spent half an hour trying to get a load of shavings off the floor? Well, have a look at this very handy tool. Under here, you'll find a socket. Now, you can plug any of your power tools into this, press the button, and you can use it as an extension lead. Handy. But here's the really clever thing. When you turn on the power tool, it automatically turns on the vacuum. It even runs for an extra 5 seconds to clear the pipe after you switch the power tool off. Now that's dust-free sawing and sanding. It's an essential piece of kit on your Kärcher man vac. Kärcher are great at coming up with brilliant accessories that make your life a whole lot easier. And this bulk waste kit is one of them. Have a look at how big that is. You can pretty much pick up anything with this. Let's give it a go. Oh, nice one. That's that mess sorted.